Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share something really special, my very first acrylic painting on a canvas. I've always loved playing with colors, but this time I wanted to try something new, painting a peaceful sunset scene that captures nature's calm and beauty. For this artwork, I used acrylic colors on a small square canvas which is 4 by 4. Acrylic colors dry fast and blend beautifully, so they're perfect for creating those smooth transition between sky and land. So I begin with the sky, starting from the lightest shade at the horizon. I used white first, then gradually blending it to yellow, orange, magenta, and finally into a deep blue at the top. This bottom to top transition gives that real evening look, where daylight slowly fades into night. Once the sky was done, I moved on to the landscape. Using darker shades for the distant trees and land, I wanted to feel like you're standing in an open field watching the last rays of sunlight fall across the horizon. I added some shadows and details to create depth. For the final touches, I painted silhouettes of flying birds and trees to bring the scene to life. Those tiny details really make the painting feel complete. It's amazing how a few strokes can change the entire mood. This painting holds a special place in my heart because it's my first attempt. And it reminded me that creativity is all about exploring, learning, and enjoying the process. If you're someone who has been waiting to try painting, do it. Start simple, mix your favorite colors, experiment, and enjoy every brush stroke. No artwork is perfect, but every artwork teaches you something new. If you enjoyed watching this process and want me to try more such paintings, don't forget to like, share and comment below. Thank you for watching till end.